Reward Gold Mine achieved first remote-controlled ore production, accelerating Vertex Minerals' push towards full production. Roger Jackson is executive chair, and he is at the Reward Gold Mine. Roger, welcome to mining.com.au.
Thanks, Mike. Pleasure.
Roger, what was the announcement today?
Well, we announced that we've got a loader up and operational under tele-remotes, which means that we can start now mining our long hole stopes, which is important because that's where our high grade gold is and our tonnage is, and it means we can be automated to mine from underneath the stopes that we have in this mine, one of our techniques that we use, and it's a safe way of mining and an efficient way of mining. So it's a great milestone for us to be at that point.
Roger, what type of mine is this going to be when you're at full production?
Okay, so this is a high-grade underground gold mine, so we don't do a lot of tonnes, but because of its high grade, we're aiming to do some good grades and to produce 1,000 ounces in the next quarter on a monthly rate, and moving to 2,000 ounces when we move to double shift later in next year.
Roger, I don't need to tell you, you do all of these quantitative analysis when you're mapping out these things, but what is it like to be marching towards production with these high metal prices?
Well, it's great. I go back a long time in this game, and I tell you, when it, $400 or $500 and low prices makes it very, very difficult to run a mine and very stressful. But we're in times where gold prices like this, it opens up so much more opportunity to do things that make a mine great, and we think we're going to be doing great things with this mine, and particularly with the gold price the way it is for our shareholders.
Lastly, Roger, next steps towards production.
Yeah, so look, we are in a ramp up. We are a little bit behind where we wanted to be, but now that we've got the long hole stoping underway, we're going to be maintaining the development to keep long hole stopes up in front of us, but we're also going to be looking at developing our declines so we can get down and do flat backing in decline 3, which is a nice bit of ore there. We've also got our 1600 heading, which is looking very good. Happens to be the Star of Peace vein that the largest piece of gold ever came out of the Holdeman Nugget, 286 kilos. So we're excited to be mining that. And we'll be doing some air leg mining up in some high-grade stopes as well. So all that is ahead of us, and it'll all be still ramping up over the next 12 months.
Roger, thanks for speaking with mining.com.au.
Thanks, Mike.